After I used this, my skin felt completely flat and smooth, which is crazy. Hey everybody, so today I have a really exciting video. I'm
so excited.
So I'm gonna be reviewing the Alya's skincare bundle, which you guys know by the title, but they sent me this bundle to review. All opinions are my own. I just got off of work, so I am really excited to just do some self-care today. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, show you what's inside the bundle and everything. Okay, so inside the box, this is what it looks like. Really cute. It smells good. I'm very serious about skincare. I have done my research, so I just want to let you guys know. Normally have oily skin, as you can see right now. I'm gonna zoom in. My skin is really oily. I'm the type of person where like I can rub my skin and moisturize my hands with it. So since I still struggle with pore size, I'm kind of excited to see how this skincare will work with that. So first we have the foaming micellar cleanser, and it is infused with witch hazel and watermelon seed oil. It is meant to rejuvenate and hydrate your skin, and these are cruelty-free and vegan. And also I just want to disclaim that I am not a skincare professional. I am not a dermatologist or anything like that. Alright, so the next thing that's in here is the Australian Native Berries Moisturizer. It has macadamia oil to hydrate and restore and replenish your skin. And it says that it is for all skin types, so that's good. And we'll get more into the ingredients and everything like that you guys want to know later on in this video, so stay tuned to hear all of that. Next we have a pomegranate exfoliant facial scrub, and this uses pomegranate seed powder to deeply exfoliate the skin. And then we have a vitamin C supercharged serum, and this is used to boost your skin with a blend of, bro, I don't even know how to pronounce that. It says kakadu plum. The serum does have hyaluronic acid, and if you don't know, hyaluronic acid is basically used to hydrate your skin. Only thing that I know with using vitamin C serums is you want to make sure that if you are using any other serums that have vitamins in them or like a chemical exfoliant, just make sure that these two products mix well with each other. And next thing that we have is their Australian Pink Clay Mask to detoxify and brighten your skin. So I've been hearing so many good things about it, and this is honestly, I'm so excited to try this. I haven't heard one bad review yet about this. They give you a pink cloth to, you know, wipe off your face, wipe off the mask, anything like that. That is everything in the box. Alright, so it's the next day, and I just wanted to come and give you guys some more information and a few skincare tips, and just share like my final reviews of the products and everything like that. The first thing we used was the micellar cleanser, and how you're supposed to use it is you wet your face and you pump it into your hands and massage it into your face gently. They say you're supposed to wash your face if you're using your hands for about a minute, and then you just rinse that off, and it says wipe away cleanser. I just rinse it off. So my thoughts on the cleanser, personally I like moisturizing cleansers that don't foam up. I tend to use that more, but I would say this cleanser right here was amazing at cleaning off all my makeup. So I had a full face of makeup on. I'd use this only without using any makeup remover, and this removed all my makeup the first time. Yeah, I really like that. I highly recommend it for that sense. Overall, I think the best function of this product is removing makeup, so I'll definitely be using this like to remove my makeup. This is it for sure. Okay, so the next thing I used was the exfoliator, and this right here was amazing, and I'm not even just saying that, like I think this was like one of my favorite products in the whole bundle. So the exfoliator, the directions is you're supposed to dampen your skin, and then you just apply the product. It says to your forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. Me, when they say apply a small amount, I apply the whole thing to my face because my whole face needs work. But yeah, I just apply the whole thing to my face, and I always, whenever I'm doing my skincare routine, I always do the same thing to my neck. So whatever you do to your face, I do to my neck, and some people even say you want to do that same thing to your hand. And then after you're done with the scrub, you're going to rinse it off with warm water. Listen, my skin felt so smooth and soft after this exfoliator. Sometimes my nose can get very clogged and my pores can be very clogged, and it can feel kind of rough or like bumpy or whatever. After I use this, my skin felt completely flat and smooth, which is crazy. So I definitely highly recommend, if you don't get anything from this, I definitely recommend getting the exfoliator. Then you're gonna go and use the clay mask. So the clay mask is like their most popular item, so I was really excited to try it and see like if it was really worth the hype. It's supposed to detoxify and brighten the skin. The directions is you're supposed to apply a thick even layer to clean dry skin. Definitely avoid your eye area because this does get really tight, so you don't want to be like freaking scraping at your eyes. And it also says to avoid your eyebrows and your hairline and lips. You're gonna want to leave the mask on for about 10 minutes. I left mine on for exactly 10 minutes. It was completely dry though in 10 minutes. It took a really quick time for it to dry. And then after that, I used the facial cloth, which is so soft. Love it. And I just used like warm water and I just wiped it off my face. So after using this product, my skin did feel very clean. It felt like the oils and everything was out of it. I really loved how easy and thick the mask was to apply on my skin. It just felt so... It was just a really good experience, and it also left my face feeling really smooth. Most of these products do have a scent to them, like a smell, so I went to go check the ingredients. And reading the ingredients, there's nothing on here that says fragrance or like perfume, so that's something that you do want to avoid though. You don't want to be putting like fragrance and everything on your face. So the clay mask doesn't have that. It just does have a scent, and I'm just guessing that's just from the natural oils that they use. The exfoliator and the mask are my two favorite products in this line. So after the mask, then I went in with the vitamin C supercharged serum with hyaluronic acid. Basically how you use this is just apply 2 pumps to clean skin, and you can use this in the morning and the nighttime. So of course I applied 2 pumps. It says 1 to 2 pumps. I always apply whatever amount they recommend the most. This is something that I would have to test out for a month to really see results with. This is like my first impressions of the product, so I can't really tell you if it works for me or not. Let me check the ingredients for you guys. So overall, the ingredients are okay. It says FD&C red number 40. It is low down on the list, so I don't know, but I would just double check that. I did feel like it brought moisture back into my skin after the mask, so I liked that, and it did soak into my skin really nicely. And after the serum, then you would use the moisturizer, and that's what I did. So this is a native berries moisturizer with macadamia oil. How you would use this is just apply a complete layer on clean skin. They say you can use this product every single day. So the moisturizer, I felt like it did really hydrate my skin. It made my skin feel very hydrated all throughout the night. I woke up, my skin still felt hydrated. But overall, if you do have dry skin, or if you need to bring moisture back into your skin, this is great at adding that moisture back, because my skin did feel super hydrated after. I'm definitely going to do my research more on different ingredients and what they mean. I'll have some articles linked down below of different ingredients that you should avoid, and just do your own research on these things. Everybody's different, everybody's skin is different. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to Alya Skin for sending me these products. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram and TikTok. Everything that I mentioned again will be linked down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.